afternoon.
Hi Kriti, I'm doing good. How are you? Thank you for
Yeah,
asking.
yeah, I am also fit as a fiddle. Thank you for asking. Welcome back to you for my channel.
Thank you, Kriti. I'm very delighted to having me in your channel. Thank you once again.
So, how is your day shaping?
My day is going pretty good. I till now I used my time very productively. I have done whatever my regular routine is there. I used it nicely.
Okay.
And
So,
how is your day going on?
yeah, my day is also going on productive because I have done my household chores and everything. So now I am free. So I am also utilizing my time in productive way. So, as I means I know you very well, but for the audience, could you introduce yourself?
Okay, I would love to introduce myself that I'm Lavanya. I hail from Hyderabad. I am a proud homemaker. I am a mother of two kids, and I would say I am a devoted mother. I dedicated myself to my kids. I completed my post graduation, and nowadays I'm working on my skills because my kids are grown up, they are going to school. So why should I waste my time? I should use my years productively, and I want my self growth, I want my personal identity. So I'm working on this skill, and I'm improving myself. I'm learning spoken English. For the couple of months I'm working on it, I'm happy in my element, I would say. Thank you,
So,
Kriti. And I know about you very well. And could you share about uh,
yes,
journey?
definitely. Yeah, it is a nice introduction you have given. So, as you know, my name is Kriti. So, I live in Bangalore, and I am also a homemaker as well as a mother of one kid. Apart from this, I am pursuing my MBA, and simultaneously I am running my YouTube channel. I have created my channel for learning purpose. If I would talk about my hobbies, so I have also plethora of hobbies, but nowadays I immerse myself to learn this language. So I also dedicated my time to learn English actually.
Nice to hear, Kriti. So we both are in the same boat.
Yes. So
Mm.
let's break the ice.
Yeah, of course. I'm ready.
Yeah. So what does personal growth mean to you?
According to me, personal growth is improving our communication skills, developing good habits, and learning new things. Every day we should learn something. Then only we will improve day by day, and becoming more confident, becoming more disciplined, and learning from our mistakes. And one more thing is we have to maintain our emotions in a better way. I would say these, if we manage everything, whatever I have talked so far, if we manage everything, then we will definitely in a better position. This will be the personal growth according to me.
Yeah,
What is
definitely.
your opinion?
I
Yeah.
totally
What?
agree to whatever you are saying because if we are disciplined towards our goal and towards our life actually, so
Mm.
we will achieve something. Otherwise, we will not achieve anything. Because if I would talk about my personal growth, so yeah, definitely, I have to take care to my family in good way, and I have to take care myself also in good way because nowadays. Everyone is dedicating their time with family for family actually and for kids, but they are not taking their time for their self actually because we always think first priority is our family, right? So that is
Yes.
the reason. But I think we should give our time for ourselves, and we should think about our personal growth also because um, we have a also identity, right? So
Yes.
we have to prove our identity. Everybody knows I am a good housewife and good mother, but what about us? Miss, what is our dream? So we have to we have to work on also. So that's why I am also learning this language, because I want to groom myself.
Okay. Nice, nice to hear. Yes, personal growth should be there because every time we used to think about our family, kids, how they are growing, household responsibilities, we feel this is our first priority. But over the
Yes,
period of time, we understand that that is our responsibility. Along with that, our personal growth is also important. Taking care of ourselves, improving day by day, upgradation, everything should be part of our life.
yes. So what is one habit do you want to develop in your life?
Actually, after coming to this language, I got to know that reading is most important to improve more and more in my spoken English. So I'm lacking behind reading practice. I should improve, even though I'm telling stories to my kids, my younger one, bedtime stories that take only 10 to 15 minutes every day. I feel that is not enough for me. I should inculcate more reading habit. So I
Yes.
want to improve more reading habit. According
Yeah,
to
I
you,
totally
what
agree.
is? Mhm.
Yeah, I
Okay.
totally agree with you. And I am not into in listening. So I am developing this thing because I don't have a much patience inside me. So I am inculcating this habit and I am working on that. And whenever I go for my exercises, so that time I utilize my time wisely, because that time I put my earphone and that time I try to listen, because everyone said that means if you want to improve more and more, so definitely you have to listen carefully and attentively, so then you will see the drastic change, because listening is more important.
Yes, yes. And
So
listening, reading. Yeah, yeah.
are you into in listening?
Every time when I do my household chores, like doing dishes, doing laundry, and if I do something, I always on any video, YouTube video or else anything, motivational video like this, I love to listen something in English. I
Yeah, but
habituated.
sometimes I feel monotonous. So, but nowadays I am inculcating this habit, because if I want to improve more and more, so definitely I have to listen.
But when it comes to reading, I don't prefer that much. Listening, I regularly do. If I travel
Yes.
anywhere also, that time also I'll keep my headsets and I listen a lot.
Yeah, so you utilize your time in wisely, right?
Yes, these days I'm utilizing my days and hours also very productively, wisely. I'm not wasting my time.
Yeah. So, what is one bad habit do you want to change?
One bad habit is worrying so much about one thing. Okay, if I listen something, no, I grab some information. I consume a lot of data, but I worry. I have learned this much data, but I'm not putting into practice. I'm unable to speak like this. I think I worry about one thing so much. Not only in the case of English, if I do anything else, like if I, for example, if I take care of my kids to teach something, to do something, why he is not doing, what are the other approaches I should do, like this I think more and more about one thing to improve more.
Hmm.
This I should stop it because I understood lately growth doesn't come in one day. It is a continuous process. I should be stay calm and patience. Then only I'll know the more and more techniques tricks. So
Yes.
I should stop that thinking, worrying too
Yeah.
much.
Actually, I used to earlier, actually, whenever, means I also feel whatever I am doing, so I get result, instant result. But it is not happen, right? Means it will take a time. So
Yes.
we keep patience inside and just wait for the right time, actually. Because if we are working hard, so definitely we will get result also.
Yes, I lately understood this, and I should stop thinking, worrying too much about one thing.
Yeah,
Definitely
and
one
earlier
day.
I also overthinked. Overthought means, but now means when I joined WhatsApp community, then I realized no, just keep patient and just learn. Don't throw the towel. Just focus on our goal.
Yes, yes. I also
Yeah.
understood, and yeah.
Yeah, so what is your statements if you are doing uh, anything special but you are not uh, getting results, so how do you handle that setback, that failure?
Uh, I I understood in my journey. I understood failure. I accept every failure. I learn from that experience where I failed. What is the next step I have to do? And I don't simply blame myself. And I have gone through the problem. Where where I went wrong. Then I'll think about that and I'll work on it. I don't these days I'm thinking that that is not a failure, that is one experience, I should learn from it. I have to work even more better for the next time good result. This is
Mm.
I understood.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. And earlier I also feel means uh, I don't want to get failure in my life. So that's why I was not doing anything, that I was not taking any challenges in my life. But over the period I learned no, if I will be fail in our life, so definitely I am means I am getting something and I am learning from that thing. So it is
Mm.
better, means if I am fail in my life, so it is better to take in positive way, right?
Yeah,
And yes,
yeah, you can continue.
so
Done.
that's why. And earlier I used to think means if I will say any means if I learned anything and I am not getting any result, so that is not useful for me. But over the period I realized that no, we have to take a challenge, otherwise we cannot learn anything.
Yeah, and failures are the part and parcel of our lives. This is what I
Yes,
understood. Those are experiences, not the setbacks. Those are experiences. What we have learned from that, we have to use in next whatever we do. Next, we have
yes,
to use those experience. We'll definitely will get success over the
yes.
period of time.
So do you also procrastinate things?
Uh, I am very far away from procrastinating things. Actually, I am very keen to do the things on right time. I don't want to procrastinate at any cost. If something happened, like it is not in my control, if it is family vacation or else anything else, then that time I procrastinate. After that, next day, I'll definitely go back and I'll do my work. I don't want to procrastinate. Yeah. Sorry.
Okay. No worry. So, what is the biggest lesson you have learned from your mistake actually?
The biggest lesson I have learned so far is trusting myself. I should have trust on myself and I should not compare myself with anybody's
Other.
journey.
Yeah.
Because if I compare myself with others, that may take toll on myself, my mental health, physical health. Why should I worry about other people? Everybody has their own timeline, their own time phase. Why I'm comparing? I don't know what universe has have what universe has planned for me. So I stopped comparing myself with others and trusting myself, my potential. I'm working on myself these days. This is the lesson I have learned.
Definitely, I totally resonate with you. I also learned same thing. Just we have to self belief, because if we are not believing ourselves, so how can we handle the other people? And why
Yes.
we are worried about any mistakes and anything, just
Mm.
this is not in our control, so we will not think much, right? So
Mm. Yes, yes.
it is better to improve ourselves only, and we have to improve, we have to focus on our goal actually.
Mm. That's a better thing. We should. That is a better good idea. If we work on ourselves, we feel very light and we improve day by day. If we work on
Yes.
ourselves.
So
Yeah.
how do you motivate yourself when you feel discouraged?
Well, I when I feel discouraged, I remind myself why I started this. Then why should I feel discouraged if somebody says something? And I used to spend my time with family members, watch motivational videos, and I love to walk in the nature. In I love to go for a walk, and some I'll do breathing exercise to control my emotions and to come out of my negative. Somebody says negative, no, I'll do these things. I these days I would say I'm not feeling demotivated if somebody says something. Just I'm getting into one, go it goes into one ear and coming out from another ear. I'm not taking everything in serious.
Yes.
I
Yeah.
always try to motivate myself.
Yes. So, do you also feel fear? Means, if you are not getting any result, so
Uh, Earlier I used to afraid of my results, what if I do something, if I work on something, I'll think about my result. I should get first, I should get good result like this. But uh, through in this journey I understood result is part and parcel of our journey, but you shouldn't uh, compare a result, yourself with result, because
yes,
if earlier I used to have that fear, but these days I'm not afraiding about anything, because I need to work hard, I need to work whatever I want to achieve, but I don't want to see for the result, I don't want to wait for the result. If it is negative results also, I take it in a positive way. Oh, somewhere I
positive.
have done the mistake, that's why I got this result. Next time I won't repeat that mistake. So I'm not
Yes.
these days I'm not afraid about my results.
I
In
I totally agree with you because
Yeah.
yeah, if we are thinking about other people, so that time we also feel demotivated and means discouraged to ourselves, right? So it is
Mm,
better to not think other people. Just we have to follow our dream actually.
yes, that is a better thing we have to do for ourselves.
Yeah. So how do you deal with negative people?
uh, I believe naysayers are everywhere, negative people are everywhere, but
Yes.
I stay calm and not interact with the negative people much. uh, because if we take everything, it will we will go in a trauma. Why should we take those things? So I stay calm and not to interact with anybody. Uh, I feel I work on myself only, and always try to surround it with the positive people itself. Because if I stay with if the negative people are continuously around me also, I won't bother.
Mm.
uh, I prefer to uh, stay away from them and not to interact much.
Yeah,
Why
because
should
it
I
is
take?
better to keep a distance, and
Yes.
because if we are living with them, so our mind will also think negative, and we will not think towards the means positive thing.
Yes, yes. I could totally relate with you, because in any case, in everywhere naysayers are negative people are there. So we should
Yes.
be stay calm and we should not interact much. That will helpful for us.
Yeah.
Mm.
So what do you do to become a better version for yourself?
Uh, Becoming better version is a continuous process. We can't achieve that in overnight because it is a day by day process. I stay consistent, and I'll take care of my mental health, physical health, and uh, I always work. Sorry, Kriti, I forgot the question.
No, I am saying means what do you do to become a better version for yourself?
Uh, okay. Um, I'll start from I'll start from here. Becoming better version of ourselves is a continuous process. I always learn new skills. I work on my mental health, physical health. Learning new skills is a part and parcel of our life. Then only we will become better version of ourselves. And I don't try to be perfection in the beginning itself.
Yes.
Perfection comes by the practice, by the practice only. So I try to become the better version of yesterday, not whatever I have started so far. So these are the things I do to become better version of myself. I
Oh,
believe in daily 1% growth should be there. Then only we
yes.
will improve. Yeah.
Yeah, because if we are thinking to become a best version for ourselves, so definitely it is not overcome means over it will not come at overnight actually, right? So we
Yes.
have to uh, go to the extra mile, and day by day we have to work on that, because if
Mm.
we are working hard and be consistent and disciplined about our journeys, then we will see that we will see the result, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so do you also think stepping out of our comfort zone is necessary for growth?
Yes, absolutely. I always think that stepping out of our comfort zone is growth, is for our growth. We should step out of our comfort zone. When we are in comfort zone, we may not we feel safe and secure. We shouldn't try for another thing, like we shouldn't learn something, we shouldn't experience anything. So I believe we should come out of comfort zone. Then only we feel more confident, and become we see growth as well. And if
Yes.
we take risks, challenges, and if we face anything in our life, then only we could see the growth. I always I always prefer to take risk challenges. I always come out of my comfort zone. Try to come out of my comfort zone. If for instance, if I talk about my English journey, in the beginning, I used to watch conversational videos, and I thought, oh, I stick for a few days for watching conversational videos only. So I was in my comfort zone. I thought, wow, why is this many months, these many days are practice for watching videos only? I should come out of my comfort zone. Let's start something for speaking practice. Then I started searching for videos. How do I interact with people? I started searching. So I came out of my one of my comfort zone. Again, for the few days, I realized, no, you are in comfort zone. Your growth is not happening. You should do something for that. Again, I
Yes.
started searching for what are the next step I have to do. I in not only in my English journey, I always seek to come out of my comfort zone in other things as well, related to my
Mm.
family, related to my responsibilities. I always love to come out of my comfort zone because I want growth every day, every year, every now and there. I always see that there is always a room for improvement. I strongly believe that. So I definitely say I totally resonate with your question that stepping out of our comfort zone, then only real growth begins.
Yeah, because earlier I used to think uh means learning English is not my cup of tea. But I have taken a plunge and I have started to learn this language. So now I am thinking this is as easy as a pie, right? In and for my career also, means from when I got married. So that time I used to think how to go and take the interview. So I wasted my time, so many years I wasted my time. But then I thought, no, I try to come out to our comfort zone. And then I have started to take in a plunge. And every day I was trying, and I was going outside, and I was giving interview. And that time I thought, okay, if I didn't take any results, so it is good. But I am learning, right? If I will give the interview, so definitely I am learning how to give the interview, how to give the answer in front of in front of other people, and how to be confident in front of people. So in that way, actually, I also tried to come out my comfort zone. Then I got result, actually, means from starting I didn't get result. But over the period, means I was uh, giving means I was giving interview again and again. Then I got result. Because every time we are thinking how we will give the interview, because if I will give, so definitely people will reject to us, right? So it's always bother there, and it is a barrier to grow in our life, right? So
Right, right.
it is better to take a plunge, actually.
Yes, these days I'm also trying my hands on different things. Like anyway, I'm working on these skills. I have to start something else. I recently started tuitions at my home because my husband is math teacher.
Yes.
So because I want to know my level of English, whether I should teach students or not. And literally, what I can say, literally, I'm very excited to converse English with my students. I'm not even using my native language. I am totally conversing them with in English only. I was wondering about myself when I took the first step, first plunge gave made me to travel these start tuitions. No, I
Yes.
felt very happy. So
Yeah.
I should start some. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, whenever we got means we get any results, so we feel happy. And then we get motivation also. We have to work hard, right?
Yes, yes. Stepping out of our comfort zone is really important for our growth. I strongly believe, and everybody should follow the same. Then only they can realize what is their actual potential, what is their strengths,
Yes.
what is their weaknesses, where they are lagging behind, where they are good at. They can know many things if they come out of their comfort zone.
Yeah, definitely. I totally agree with you. So you have any questions? So
Um,
could you also ask?
Yeah, yeah. And actually, you have asked very nice questions, I would say, Preeti, because Kriti, these are very important for our uh, to grow, move forward in our life.
Yeah.
And what type, apart from these YouTube videos, what are the other things you are practicing for your development, personal
Actually,
growth?
nowadays I am not getting much time. So because I told you I enroll myself in an MBA, so I have to prepare my assignment, and also I am not getting much time to. But whenever I go for gym, yeah, I go for exercise, yeah, walk. So that time I put my earphone, and I try to listen conversation video. Because I told you, means I am not into in listening. But nowadays I am trying, because it is helpful for us. And whenever we listen carefully, so we understand the meaning, we understand the sentence structure, and new vocab we have to learn, right?
Yes, yes. And
So
everything helps in a better way, like speaking helps in one way, Listening helps in one way, understanding, and if we listen more and more times, we'll get habituated to those words, those sentences. When we
Yes,
talk with anybody or else with ourselves only, those our mind will eventually remind those words. Oh, for this sentence you have to use this word. Already you have learned, you have listened for more times, you have practiced for like this. In this way, speaking practice will helpful, but don't
yeah,
pressurize yourself that start with 10 minutes, 15 minutes. After that, you'll increase the time, because
yes, yeah,
ev- everything is not everybody's cup of tea.
yeah,
Because if I, in my case, listening and I do speaking a lot, less time, I would say. I listen a lot. That is, I love to listen. I'm not that much into reading. Everybody can't do everything. They won't prefer, no. So try to habituate slowly. It will helpful for you.
yeah. Because I am into in speaking and writing and reading also, but I am not into in listening. So, but I am inculcating this habit also. If you will give
Mm.
me, you have to write 20 page, 30 page, so I will sit and I will write. And earlier I used to do, means whenever I learned new vocab, so I try to make a story. But nowadays
Okay.
I am not doing because I have no time, right? So but definitely I would do that thing also, because in that way I was learning new vocab. But nowadays I'm not doing so. I'm not getting much vocabulary and all.
Okay. Okay. Oh, so you are busy with, yeah, you have lots in your plate these days.
Yes. So
Yeah, yeah.
you have any other question? Otherwise, we
Mm.
have to running out of time, so we have to wrap up the session.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Kriti. Thank you inviting me for your YouTube channel, because I'm seeking for the speaking practice. Like, even as I already told, I was listening for more and more hours, but I'm not practicing. I thought I should start something for speaking practice. I came out of my comfort zone. This is one of the thing I recently done. So thank you once again.
Thank you to you. When I said you please come on my channel, so you are ready. So it is grateful for me actually. So thank you for your giving beautiful time for me.
It's my pleasure, Kriti. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a nice day.